Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be playing Time Bomb Ankle Break. So basically, we get a bomb and we have to pass to each other before the timer ends. And if the timer ends, and the bomb is in your hand, yeah, you're gonna die. So and yes, this has I have added a lot of I mean, but bro is trying to pass me. What? Okay, well I just died. Okay. Yes, I got this. Bro, this map sucks, literally. This map literally needs skill right now. I mean, you just need to hold, like, what is this? Top kills? I have killed only 77 people, what?
Take a look around you.
Yeah, boy.
Take a look around.
Well, someone just died though. Okay, well, they're trying to pass the bomb. Okay, no. Why did you pass me the bomb? Take it. Okay, well, they're still like. And of course, I just died. Hello? What's going on? I'm just gonna stay in the corner so like I don't die. Oh my god, what the hell is this map, bro? This literally requires you to...
I got this.
Bro, whatever is that? Bro,
Take a look around you.
yes, I'm really angry, not gonna lie, bro. Yeah, I just broke the ankles. Ankles? Yes. And yeah, I'm just getting lagged. Okay, so I was looking at something. No, don't you dare to give me the bomb. Nope. Yep. I broke their ankles. Nope. I do not allow you this. Yep, they died. Okay. So I was okay, well they're trying to give me the
Where are you going?
well I'm just gonna go there. Yep, kaboom. They died, okay. Why is the game showing me that I died? Well, okay, give me the bomb. I'm
very angry.
Ankles. I broke their ankles. You see that? Written? Yeah, broken ankles. Yep.
I got this.
You got this, sir. Yep. Okay, well.
I got this.
Well, what can I even buy here? Okay, well, I have 1,000 coins almost, and let's just equip this. Oh, what is the bomb doing in my hand? Kaboom. Yep, sir. Yep. I'm really sorry. Why are you doing? Why are you? Oh my God, sir. That's illegal. No, don't give me the bomb. Yep. Okay. You know what? Let's just take the bomb from her and I'm gonna sacrifice my life. Okay, well, never mind. Oh my God, I have. Take it, sir. Take it. Oh my God. Okay, I was about to say that he's AFK, but never mind. Bro, she's always getting targeted. Like, that's not fair, I think. But whatever. Why am I having the bomb? Did I die? Really? Nope, I did not. I cannot read Chinese, so, no, give me the bomb, sir. Give me the bomb. Okay, well, they're getting lagged. Nope, no. Well, they just died. My internet is really good. I don't know what's wrong. Give me the bomb! What the hell are you doing? Give me the bomb. Sir, I'm not here to play hide and seek. Give me the bomb. Yep. Yes, take it. Ankles. No. Okay, well, never mind. Why am I bald, bro? Why is this so tough, bro?
I'm very angry. Where are you going?
Yep, sir, you're about to die. Yep. GG, just died. Oh, updating map. They just updated the map in the middle of the round. What? Okay, well, whatever. Holy. Oh my God, he has the bomb. Yeah, sir, I'm just going somewhere where, oh, well, choose the bomb. Can I get the bomb, please? Yep. Oh my God, I just fell. Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb at? Hey, give me the bomb, bro. I got you, bro. Give me the bomb. Okay, bro. No one wanna give me the bomb. Like, are you serious? Oh, well, they have the bomb. Please give it to me. Oh my god, I'm falling down. Give me the bomb. Excuse me, I'm asking you to give me the bomb. Give me that damn bomb, bro. Okay, well, never mind. Can I please get the bomb, please? I wanna break someone's ankles. Yep, give me the bomb. Give me the bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna target. Yep. And I pretended that I'm just gonna jump down, so you also jump down, but I did not. Boom. Yep. They died. Okay, well, who has the bomb this time? Sir, give it to me. Give the bomb to me. Yep, that's what I thought. Yep. I broke their ankles. Yep, totally. Is that the damn freaking Ronaldo shirt? What is that? No. I need to give the bomb. Where's the bomb? Please give me the. Okay, well, give me the bomb. Give me the bomb. Where's the Cristiano Ronaldo at? No, give me the damn bomb. What are you doing? Now you wanna give me? Okay, bro. Whatever. You just. Okay, well. Never mind. We sometimes win. We sometimes lost. Why did I got the bomb? Yes, Cristiano Ronaldo, take the bomb. And he died. Yes, that's what I thought. Wait, he did not die. Well, why am I falling down again in the game? Don't give me the bomb, sir. Well, Ronaldo, why are you? Oh, Ronaldo, take this. Take this. No. Oh, yes.
I just
Whatever he said, bro. Ingles. Oh well, he died. Okay, so let's just go somewhere and try to buy something. Excuse me. Nope, take that bomb with you. I'm trying to buy something, okay? So let's just buy. We have an 800. Excuse me? No. Who just gave me the bomb? No, it has to be that girl. Give me the bomb. Give me the bomb. Okay, well, Ronaldo has the bomb. Why do I have to... Are you serious? When I'm asking for that damn bomb, you're not giving me, like, okay. Yeah, no. Okay, so let's just... What is this skin? Why do I even need this skin? Okay.
Where are you going?
You know, sometimes Queso is right. People are really getting... Okay, well, whatever.
Take a look around you.
Well, he has the bomb. Give it to me. Are you serious? Okay, well, don't give me that. Okay, so let's just buy sound effects. We have oh, okay, well, never mind. Kill effects. We have kill effects. Okay, what? Excuse me. Why do I have the bomb? Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo. Nope, Ronaldo. Okay, well. What? How did I die? I was so near to people. They did not take the bomb. Okay, well. I'm gonna miss it.
Where are you going?
Ingles. Yep, I just broke. Hello? On God's green planet. What? Okay, well. They're just targeting me, like, bro.
Take a look around you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna buy something. Okay. So freeze kill. What? Did I got the bomb? Oh, well, yep, I did got it. Yep. Why on planet you guys are targeting me? Like, what the hell is wrong with you? You know what? I mean, what? We can pretty much buy everything. I mean, you know. Just don't give me the bomb, please. Yes. Okay, so let's just buy the cheapest one and equip it. Okay, now we have it. Okay, now we're gonna try to get the bomb and give it to somebody. Give it to me. Okay, you take it. Oh, the electric. You guys saw it? Yeah. Okay, well, we just tried that. And I got the bomb this time. Take the bomb, sir. Take the bomb. Okay, well, they're laggy. And I just broke their ankles. Okay, so, do not give me the bomb because I'm... Okay, now it's time to buy the fire kill because... What if we buy the void kill? Am I having the bomb? No. Let's just buy the void kill because it's going to be so beautiful. Okay. Well, we just got it. Okay. No, give me the bomb. Okay, never mind. I kind of like her avatar. It's not bad. 10 out of 10, girl. Slay.
Take a look
And
around
please, can I have the bomb? Yep. Give me the bomb. Give me the bomb.
I'm very angry.
Give
Where
me
are
the
you
bomb.
going?
you. Take a look
Okay, well, never mind. I just died. I was trying to give somebody, but I was like trying to, give me the bomb. Give me the bomb.
Take a look around
Sir? No, give me.
Where are you going?
You took my bomb. Give it to me. I thought I exploded. Okay, no. Okay, no, I'm not. No. That's my bomb. Why did you took it from me? Nope. Give it to me. Yes, this is my bomb.
Where are you going?
Oh, the white one is actually cool. Not gonna lie though. Okay. Well, I just gave somebody the bomb. Okay. So let's just see what can I buy from the rest of it. I'm gonna buy something. You know. What? Excuse me. I'm buying something. Can't you see? Okay, let's just buy it. This one. It kind of matches our bomb. Our white effect. I'm gonna take the bomb and see if it works oh my god, it's actually good, not bad. Oh my god, somebody take it. Oh well. Hello, did she just did she just like dance on my body? Nope, I don't agree
Take a
that.
look around you.
Excuse me, I was like just behind them. You could have give the bomb to them, like okay.
Take a look
Ankles.
around you.
How did I got the bomb?
I got this.
Even though like okay.
Where are you
I'm
going?
trying to break their ankles and like from out of nowhere I get the bomb, like hello. That's what this like the game called this time bomb ankle break. Give me the bomb, bro. Give me the bomb. Yep, give me that. Wait, are they?
Take a look
No. Are they
Where are you
eating? Wait, no. I just saw a girl with a matching avatar. This guy right here. No, this guy right here, okay. Wait.
Take a
Hold
look
on.
Where are you
Trying to
going?
see. Okay, well that girl left because she knew I will take revenge, so. Oh my god, he just fell. He has the bomb. I just broke their ankles, okay. Take the bomb. Take that bomb. Yes. I just broke the ankles.
Take a look
Hello, sir.
Take a look around you.
Take a look around you. Yes. I think so. This guy's targeting someone, of course. Do not give me that bomb because, yes, I don't want to die.
I got this.
Oh well, I just got the bomb. Take it. Oh my god, I broke their ankles twice. Well, hello, excuse me. Take the bomb.
Where are you going?
Take a look around you.
Oh, I just juked them so bad. Oh my god, you saw that white thingy? Yes, give me the bomb. Give me the bomb. Please, give me the bomb. Give me the bomb. Okay, well now you should not give me the bomb because the time is already over.
I got this.
Well, he just died. Give me the bomb. That's my bomb. Yep, that's my bomb. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this to the. Okay, my target was the emo boy. Okay.
Where are you
And
going?
okay, well. Oh, he has the bomb. Okay. Bye bye. Poor him. Oh well. Who has the bomb? Okay, that's that AFK person. Give the bomb to me. Yep. Where's this? Oh my god, he got the bomb again. I just broke the ankle so bad. Oh my god. Oh, I broke their ankles, okay. Who was juking them so bad? Oh my god, they gave me the bomb. They can take the bomb. Do not try to give me the bomb again. Oh my god. You saw the white thing? Yes. Give me the bomb. Give me that bomb. I'm gonna give this to this thing because. Hello? From where? Okay, well. I was like really shocked that from where did I just got that bomb? Is that Chinese? What was he speaking? I don't even know, bro. Okay, I'm gonna like just end the video. I think so. Because, oh, why am I having the bomb? Hello? I did not see that bomb. Oh my god.
Where are you going?
Okay, so I guess so I'm just gonna end the video, I guess, okay? Let's just do one more round, and I mean, like, I'm just gonna take the bomb. Give me the bomb. Give me the bomb, sir. Can I have that bomb? Okay, nope. Never mind. Oh my god, he's pushing me. Give me the bomb. Okay, well, let's just... I'm just gonna wait until it's like 5 seconds. Okay, now let's just give somebody. You saw that white thing? Yes. Okay, well, let's just end our video. I hope so y'all enjoyed my time bomb ankle break video, and we pretty much just spent our money. Excuse me. No. This is not acceptable. Yes, that's what I thought. Okay. So, if you want... Oh my god, bro. Please take the bomb away from me. And if you want me to make more videos like this, tell me, let me know down below. Oh my god, bro. I cannot talk. These sound effects are like insane. Well, bye guys.